अज्ञानतिमिराञ्जस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। मुखं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुरङ्घयतें गिरिजत्कृपातमहं वन्दे श्रीगुरुदीनतारिणीं। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकाय तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। आजानुलम्बितभुजौ कनकवदातो सङ्कीर्तनपीतरै कमलाताक्षै विशम्बरद्विजवरो दुर्गधर्मपालो वन्दे जगत्प्रियो करुणावतीर्ण कलो। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधो दीनबंधु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगिनी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी विश्वभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। श्याम सुंदर शिखंड शेखर स्मेरोहास मुररी मनोहर राधिका रसिक मां कृपानिधे सप्रिया चरणे किंकरीं कुरु। वृंदाय तुलसी देव्यै प्रियाय केशव श्रेष्ठ कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्यवत्यै नमो नमः। बोल हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। प्रभु जी इंग्लिश में नहीं, हिंदी में, इंग्लिश में। व्हाट इज योर
संडे है, संडे इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं।
अच्छा, नहीं ठीक है। हमारा हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों ही भूल है, गलती होती है। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई ऑफर माई अनलिमिटेड respectful and humble obeisance to the lotus feet of my most beloved spiritual master, Vishnupad Ashtatara Sato Bhakti Vedanto Baman Goswami Maharaj, also Vishnupad Ashtatara Sato Bhakti Vedanto Narayan Goswami Maharaj, and always begging their costless mercy. Also offer obeisance to the lotus feet of my beloved Param Guru Maharaj on Vishnupad Ashtatara Sato Bhakti Vedanto Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj Bhakti Vedanto Narayan Goswami Maharaj Bhakti Vedanto Swami Maharaj and other Guru Varga, and also who are present, my humble obeisance to all of you. Thank you. Yesterday, our most Mahaprabhu, most beloved associated, the Gadadhar Pandit, apparent they were yesterday. But yesterday, little I offer my Puspanjali to lotus feet of Gadadhar Pandit. Today I will speak something what Gurudev told in Tota Gopinath in Puri about the Gadadhar Tattva. Little bit. They told there will be not everybody understand, but I think there is most people are is the devotee. They must be know who is the Gadadhar. in our Gadadhar Pandit, in a Mahaprabhu pastime, Mahaprabhu first, we know who is the Mahaprabhu, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Devotee must we know that in line of my Guru Maharaj, Bhaktivedanta Narayana, Goswami Maharaj, and our Guru Varga, that everybody know Mahaprabhu, Sri Krishna Chaitanya, Mahaprabhu is no other, he is the himself, Bhagavan, Lord Sri Krishna. Son Bhagavan Sri Krishna. Everybody know, but why is this come in this Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu form? Because everybody know that to taste what the sweetness of Radhani love. One reason. Second reason that how I am, Krishna thinking how I am beautiful, that every three wall enchanting to see my beauty. What is beauty? My sweetness of my beauty, my sweetness playing the flute, my pastime, my quality. What is this? I cannot understand because I am object. What is me? I don't understand. But who release me, that is, they are knowing. Pesari, our Radharani, radish fully in Krishna Chandra. So Krishna, with her love, with her Mahabhav Swarupini Radha Thakurani, and Rasuraj is Krishna Chandra. So here see Radhani full taste Krishna. So what is this thing? How she feel happiness, all the tasting the rush, Milo of Divasana. For this thing Krishna appear in the form of not object. He came as a self-type form, as a Bhakta Bhav. And how Radhani, what is Radhani to eat? He borrowed from Radharani, please give your mood. Pesari in devotion, mood is very important. If no bhav, how can we progress? Bhav is need. So bhav, it is not like anywhere you can buy, not cheap thing. Bhav coming when? Our Rupa Goswami give a serial that is first Shraddha, faith. That faith is going stronger and stronger when you are getting the sadhu sangha. Then your faith turn in paramathic, spiritual faith coming, and then you are meet your Guru. And Guru meeting also in our supreme super soul, Paramatma make at a Chaitya Guru make arrangement what Guru I need. Devotee don't know, but he get the devotana, that type of Guru. Mayavadi get that Mayavadi Guru. It is first arranged Chaitya Guru Krishna. So in the Brahmanda Bhumite kono Bhagyavan Jeev, Guru Krishna. Prasade Pai Bhakti Ratavid. Guru and Krishna also. What is the bij? Seed means desire to service Krishna. This is the seed. So that is when are coming, then sadhu sangha, the Guru Pada Soy, then faith is there also, but more mature. And then when you are to, according Gurudev instruction, we are follow bhajan kriya, practice. That time, gradually are anartha, unwanted desire. Which unwanted desire means for my happiness, my family happiness, that desire will gradually remove according our progress our spiritual life. Our bhajan sadhana. It is depend on how we are sincerely follow Gurudev instruction, how we sincerely chanting Hare Krishna. Then we come the stage of nishtha, steadiness. Steadiness also the stage is now you apply your intelligence. oh, we need what Gurudev told. I must be, not my going here and there, my devotion I must be 64 round chanting every day. In this way, you have become Nishtha for Krishna, Radha Krishna. Then Nishtha turn in the ruchi, in taste. Taste means that time you are not apply your intelligence. You are automatically taste coming to chanting the Nam. Now we have no taste to chanting Hare Krishna Nam. So we must be pray Nam Prabhu, Hey Nam Prabhu, I am so fallen and so wretched that I have no interest in your name. I have no taste in your name. Please Prabhu, give me that I can get taste. Please mercy on me. That time also, so that our faith is also there. Now faith is going more mature, and when ruchi taste coming, then going to asakti, attachment. Asakti condition, we cannot, our Harinam, I cannot live 1 second, we always want to chanting. Asakti means attachment. That like our family, we have attachment. Everything doing for our family. My son, my daughter, my wife, husband, everything what we are doing for my family happiness. That time, that coming, if we are chant, because Krishna Nam and Nami, Krishna name and Nami, no different. Abhinavad Nam Namina, no different. This time I get the taste, and sometime some realization also coming, and then bhav condition. How many stages passing, then bhav condition. In bhav that is called, that I can realize what is my real identification. Now I am giving my physical body identification. It is not a real our identification. But in bhav condition we can understand what is who am I? What my service to Krishna, Radha Krishna. All this, that time, first stage of the bhav, little coming, then you will be go to Guru. Or if Guru not present, then some exalted Vaishnava saying that this is coming, then they will be thinking it is real bhav on your some imitation or imitate any bhav coming. Understand? In that time, one story I remember now, Gurudev so many that now Haridas Thakur, when a snake Janmar singing Kaliya Leela, understand? Krishna killed Kaliya killed not, he are giving punishment. That pastime here and the snake here doing the in Veena, he are playing that song. Haridas Thakur hearing, he are dancing, so he is remembering the Kaliya Leela, understand? So Haridas Thakur, and Haridas Thakur is Musalman, everybody is giving so honor, taking his lotus feet dust, understand? To one Brahman becomes some jealousy. Oh, Haridas Thakur is so rich and dancing and people giving so honor, respect. I also dance, he is dancing. Understand in bhav like Haridas, like imitate bhav. But what happened? Snakes are not understand this, it is not real bhav. Here with his whip, here beating so hard, here, run away from the place. Understand? One time a play is going on. There are somebody give that when this bhav, you will be showing that bhav. He not fully showing bhav. Then who are the manager of the theatre, he told, why? Well, you are giving me 6 anna, and I am showing that 1 rupee bhav. No, if you give 1 rupee, then I can show you 1 rupee bhav. It is not bhav. It is showing the playing the part, understand? They could not understand because it is the Bengali one thing. A theatre is going on. And some playing the bhav in any role of any devotee form. And then the devotee is showing the studying mood, but he is showing little, not full. the manager of the proprietor of the playing theatre, he told, why you are not fully showing? Well, you give me half money. If you give full money, then I give showing full money bhav. So it is immediate bhav. Bhav is coming from the heart. Ecstatic mood, sati, babhichari, anubhav, vibhav, all that is there. So now, in Bhav Kanigan we understand that Gadadhar Pandit, that is the, I am going to tell about who is the Gadadhar. I am telling the how Krishna little bit. And now Gadadhar, he is Swayam Radharani, he is Radharani, but came in the male form. Why? Because Krishna now coming, he is playing the pastime, not object, he is not coming in enjoy mood. He coming in the devotional mood, devotee mood. So all the devotee, Krishna pastime, all the Rumanjari, Sana, Ravanga Manjari, Tulasi, Roti Manjari, even the Lolita, Vishaka, all are came in the male form. You know, Swarup Damodar is Lolita, Rai Ramananda Vishaka was Krishna pastime, Rup Manjari was now formed in Rup Goswami. Because in this time, and then when Radharani give his complexion, why he give, he think, when she thought that when he will be taste my mood, the ecstatic mood, then sometime he fallen on the earth, and that his body is so soft, he cannot tolerate Krishna. So I must be embracing in my complexion. So Krishna, now Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came in mood of the Radharani and also his complexion. Radha Bhava Duti Subalito. Mahaprabhu came and Gadadhar came in that time in Radharani. But he came in the male form. Male form, and that Radharani is Gurudev told. If anybody think when Radharani, Gadadhar Pandit came, he become zero because already his mood and complexion was in Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then he become zero, he have nothing. But no, he fully Radharani, but he now playing, the helping the Krishna, Radha Krishna, that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, how we taste his mood, how he will be taste hard mood. Prabhu, easy to understand? Not. Vishnu Prabhu, you can say something English, because my English is not so clearly understand. But Radharani, that time he not have taken Gadadhar from him, not left his mood, submission mood, because he wanted to help Mahaprabhu, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the Krishna himself, to how he can taste this, my mood. So she came as a he form, and always Gadadhar watching how Chaitanya Mahaprabhu playing his past, her role. This is Gurudev told. And she is a full, he become zero. Full, everything to him, but not in left his mood, not present. That like a Gurudev give one example in that time, who are read the harmony, they know that if any play is going on, that person who are doing that part, due to another person who is now ill or sick, he are doing that part. But that man is present who are doing this role. Understand? She is looking how he is doing my part. He is looking. Like here is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu playing the Radharani part. So looking everything, and Radharani mood, I told again and again, is now for helping to Krishna, to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to taste my everything, so he had taken that mood, submission mood, he had always follow what Krishna, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu desire. In one pastime, so many pastime, little bit pastime, then I go to other thing. So that is the when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu take the sannyas. That time Galadhar told, why you are taking sannyas? Your mother is so old age. You can stay home. What need to go to Vrindavan Dham? But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu thought, no, it is not. I wanted to taste the Radharani mood. How can in the house not possible? And if I go Vrindavan, this is not possible. Vrindavan, if I go, then immediately I manifest myself Krishna mood. So he was not allowed to go. He told, I am going Nilachal, Jagannath Puri, my mother ordered. Satima ordered, oh my son, don't go to Vrindavan. It is too far for Bengal. If you go Jagannath Puri, then time to time you can come in the darshan of Ganga, or you are coming, then I can see you. So don't go, but this is not main reason. Mother told to go Nilachal, Puri, it is not main reason. Gurudev told, he thought if I go Vrindavan, could not possible to taste the Radharani Prasad separation mood. Separation mood. And that time, Mahaprabhu told, Gurudev told, Krishna have something, have Krishna. At the like Odiduro, Ruro, Bhab, Mahabhab, up to Mahabhab Krishna have. Lekin Madonna ka Mahabhab in only to Radharani. And Pesari did Madonna ka that separation and meeting in the separation that Krishna don't know. He is the supreme personality of Godhead, but he don't know. For the tasting, he came in the Jagannath Puri and the taste in Gambhira, after meeting with the Vishaka, not before, because he have imitated, he have taken, borrowed something, but don't know how can I use. Understand that like a computer machine, somebody stealing some computer, somebody, but he don't know, he is ignorant about the computer, then he must be go somebody who know, then he learn, then he can use the computer. And Krishna, as a Mahaprabhu, he have taken the borrow and anything, but he don't know how to use. So he went to the Vishaka, the Rai Ramananda meeting, and after Rai Ramananda come back, then Gambhira taste all the mood of the Radhani separation mood. The Gadadhar Pandit, he is living not in Gambhira. He never used to come in the Mahaprabhu place. Because if coming now, both are meeting, then he will be manifest Radharani, he will be Krishna. What for purpose came not possible. Gurudev told. For this thing you can see Swarup Damodar Lolita, Rai Ramananda staying with him. Never. Gadadhar Pandit never come from Tota Gopinath. Gopinath, that is in that Tota mean, in Uriya language, Tota mean garden. When Mahaprabhu takes sannyas, when coming Nilachal, the 4% came with the Mahaprabhu, Nityananda Prabhu, Galadhar and other. That time, Mahaprabhu keep him the place, Tota Gopinath, that place, one place, understand? One day Mahaprabhu came to him and some dragging the soil, sand, and told, Gadadhar, I wanted to give you one thing you wanted to take. Well, Prabhu, what will be give? I very happily accept it. The Mahaprabhu give the Gopinath, very beautiful Gopinath. And that is our Radhani worshipful deity also. Radhani is the Gopinath, who is the master of the Gopi, who is the life and soul of Gopi. So he took and he is doing, and Mahaprabhu every day used to come to his place, hearing the Bhagavad Katha. Gurudev told, when Radhana is speaking Bhagavad Katha, how beautiful. You can imagine how the Katha is going on. Who hearing? Krishna hearing, and Radhana is speaking. And in this way, that we are see that one time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wanted to go in the South India. Now, he wanted to go Vrindavan Dham. That time Gadadhar take the Kshetra Sannyas, means who are the take oath, I will be never leave that place. But when Mahaprabhu going, that time Gadadhar also follow. Mahaprabhu again and again asked, why? You are already take oath, promise, I never leave Jagannath Puri, why you follow to me? Well, Prabhu, where you are, that is my Jagannath Puri. I don't want it to stay here. Mahaprabhu told, no, you have already taken, this will be offense to me. You must be stay. No, I not. Then Mahaprabhu told, it is my Mata's Sirkat support. Don't follow me. And immediately he fall down in the unconsciousness. And Mahaprabhu not looking what is happening. And that time he had not went to the Kanayan Nasara, returned back and told Gadadhar, I am giving your heart so sorrow though I could not go to Vrindavan. And one time Nityananda Prabhu brought some rice, very beautiful Govinda Bhog rice, and one cloth for Radharani. In Tota Gopinath there is Radharani black, Lolita Devi be black. For Radharani brought a sari, Nityananda Prabhu, and some good rice, Govinda Bhog. And then when Gadadhar told Nityananda Prabhu, you can take prasad, we can cook and offer, and then we can take this prasad. Then when they are ready to take, immediately Mahaprabhu running come, oh, you are make festival, you not invite to me. What is you? You not invite me and you are taking prasad. No, I will be take prasad. He sat down. So in this way, Mahaprabhu and Gadadhar Pandit is so many things, is Tattvato, is the Radharani. So we are seeing in yesterday, and also Gurudev something told, I see anything, I miss or not, then Gurudev so many told this time, the praying in stage of Mahabhav, all the things, here is no need to. Gurudev told that the Sikhastakam, we must be follow Sikhastakam properly. That is Bhajan Rasa, I am giving that class. Bhajan Rasa, when we will be chanting Hare Krishna, that time what I will be? In the Nishanto Lila, first time of Nishanto Bhajan. Nishanto means, I told that day, Nishanto means now end of the night. But sun not coming, but some light, you can see here is some tree, here is some person standing, but how his face you cannot properly look. But you understand here is one person is standing. So when we will be chant Hare Krishna, in the first stage of Shraddha, faith, and Nishanto is the first step of Shraddha. In before I have no idea about the spiritual life. But when Sadhu Sangha gradually I understand, then I now beginning our bhajan. I some bhajan I not taken initiation. But that time I believe this is called Nishanto Bhajan. I am believe Krishna, that is all the thing, and I understand the Hare Krishna Nam is the topmost. Then I am chanting Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, that is told in, it is also connection with the Cheto Darpana Bhava Madhavagni. That day I explained Cheto Darpana, Chitto is like a mirror. Mirror is reflect our face. But if mirror some mud and some dust, then mirror have power, but I cannot reflect myself in the mirror, on the mirror. So that is Chitta, who am I? That is Chitta is pure. But due to my material entanglement, I cannot reflect, I cannot see what I am, real who am I. When I will be clean my heart, gradually, how? With no in the material any soap, powder, acid, nothing. Only Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Huh? This Hare Krishna means Cheta Darpo, marjan, clean, and then Bhavo Dabagni Nirvapanam. Bhavo Mahadabagni. What is Bhavo? Coming and going. Take bath and die. Again and again, take come in the mother womb, again and again. Punorapi moranam, muranapi janoni jatore sayanam. It is again and again coming. How that will? And in this bhavo, in this life, we are getting so much suffering, threefold misery. The adhatik, adhibautik, adidaivi, always suffering to us. Everybody getting this suffering, adhatik, with is relation to me, that it is mine and the family, my relative, anything what I connection with thing I am getting. My one son have cancer. I am no cancer, but my son due to I am getting suffering. Understand? My wife have left me. I have not all the suffering in the connection of that my physical body at that thing. Then Adi Bhauti, I am going according India, in Vrindavan, a monkey jump me and cut me, or a pig coming and cutting me, or I am driving in the western country and a car accident. I am properly going, but the car came and this is all the adhati. Or I am going, somebody insulting me. It is other prani, mane other adi bhautik, mane other jivo. Human being or any animal, snake bite me. In this way we are everybody getting this suffering also. And adi doivik, you know that coming from the demigod. Too much rain, no rain, hurricane, so many things, earthquake, volcanic eruption, all the demigod that is coming, all that thing, this is suffering also to us. That now in Delhi, in India, wheat become fully grown and ripened already. Now 2 or 3 days it will be cut. In die. So many hailstorm, all gone. It is called Adi Doibi. Bodundev, our Indodev sent so much rain and hail rain. How many cultivators suicide themselves? Because all gone. Fully in UP. This is coming from, nobody wanted, but that is come. So that when that will be gone according, then I will be then chanting Hare Krishna, coming that side, then I will be take the initiation. This is going in Patakarin bhajan, morning time. Then I understand now light coming. I understand, fully understand about the spiritual world. Taking the shelter of bona fide Guru, and then I will be chanting. And then how the Patakarin in 8 jam pastime, 8 jam bhajan, that is divided in bhajan rasa. Guru Maharaj told this book is, who will be, Bhaktivinoda Thakur wrote this book for whom? Who wanted to progress the spiritual life, really progress, sincerely wanted to, how can I advance in my spiritual life? Or who have not, they have not. interested in the bhajan also. What is the secret of bhajan? Our bhajan, Gauriya Parampara line bhajan is Hare Krishna Mahamantra. How will we do Mahamantra? This is the toll who have already previous life have already their taste coming. This is called Jata Ruchi. That devotee called Jata Ruchi who are already have taste hai, but somehow that life is not coming full stage. Now this life he are coming from already he have Ruchi stage, mane taste. That time he will be Hare Krishna Muhammad. No, in first stage he will be see, oh Nishantarila, Abhi Radha Krishna Ketab, how Binda Devi ask all the first year asked Kukuti to please kokor making sound. Then still they are not get up, then all peacock and everybody to get. But till they are not get up, then Kakkoti, a bandar, monkey, he is saying, Jyotira, Jyotira, and immediately they both get up from the bed. Jyotira means mother-in-law. And Jyotira means now sun is rising. To that time that is the, and who have no taste in now, if beginning is bhajan, sadhan, then they will be thinking how Chetodarpano Machanam, how Bhava Mahadavagni Nirvapanam. Understand? This is so much slow giving Gurudev and so many Bhaktivinoda Thakur and Maharaj Gupta, so explanation. If must be one time you can read in Bhajan also, Jaivadan also good. It is very important. Who are senior devotee who wanted to do, how can I progress my spiritual life? They must be read this book. Gurudev very beautiful. That explanation give in the Mathura mode, and there are some collection, all the thing, and that is Gurudev make this book. And then second slok in Bhajan also, that is giving the Nam Namokari Bahuda Nija Shakti Sai Cheto Darpano Marjanam first. Then second slok is the Nam Namokari Bahuda Nija Shakti Toi Arpita Niyumes Morane Nokaro Eta Drishi Tabo Namo Bhavaman Namo Pi Midisho Mui Janu Na Anurago. Itna Nam is so much powerful. One name is one pastime is there. And Nam is so powerful, and Nam has so everything it can give if you are chanting that Nam. But still so much merciful Nam is, but still we have no taste in the Nam. How we know the name of Ram Nam? And Nam is so powerful when all monkey putting the Ram name in the stone and stone now floating on the water. So one time Krishna, Ramchandra thought, my name taking the shelter all stone floating on the ocean. So I am that Ram. So he looked, where is Hanuman? No, Hanuman not here. Then he came in a place that nobody can see me. And he put a stone, little bit stone, and Ramchandra put the stone on the ocean. And stone immediately going inside. And again, when you are giving again the stone, Hanuman come immediately. What is Prabhu you are doing? Well, nothing. Well, no, Prabhu, what you are doing? Well, you are taking my name and stone floating on the water, so that Ram is mine. So I wanted to give a stone, but stone going under the water. Ramchandra told Hanuman, it is Prabhu, it is must be, because we are taking the shelter of your Nam to stone floating, and you are put the stone inside. You Ram, you throw. So how they floating? Understand my point? अगर हमारा नाम, आपको नाम लेके हम पात्र भसा रहा है, लेकिन आप वही राम उनको छोड़ दे रहा है, इनको छोड़ दे रहा है, वो कैसे फंसेगा? तो नाम का इतना महिमा है. भगवान इतना कृपा नहीं है, लेकिन भगवान देखते हैं मेरे नाम जो लिया है उनको जरूर वो देखते हैं. नाम का इतना बहुत ताकत है. इतना नाम भगवान का है, राधा गोविंदो दामोदर Then when anybody will be use the Govinda, why Krishna name become Govinda? Why his name is Damodar? He must be thinking, when he chanting Govinda Damodar, he must be thinking, what is the pastime in behind? Then what pastime in Govinda and Damodar name? Two pastime is there. Govinda name will be coming the Govardhan pastime. Because Govinda name keep by the Indra Dev. And Damodar name was given by the, when he have accepted mother, tied his belly with the rope, that is Damodar. This means whose belly was bound by the dam, mane rope. When you will be think, Govinda, how the name come, then he can think in Govardhan pastime. I'll be say little bit pastime of the Govardhan. When Krishna is 7-year-old boy, one morning when he woke up and saw very, very beautiful fragrance of pure ghee, something cooking that is going on pure ghee, that scent coming his nose. Then he go, oh, mother and big mother, Rohini Devi, both are so busy and so many preparation they cook already. So mother, he went to the mother and pulling his sari, Mother, today what happened? Why you are so busy in the kitchen? Mother not reply anything. Busy cook. So he told mother, today is my birthday. Mother, then he told my Dauji, my elder brother's birthday. Why you are cooking? Mother told, why disturb Kanaya? Go outside. Play. Don't disturb me. Kanaya becomes some sad. Mother, today make me go back. So he came and outside, so father also sitting in some old Bujabasi sitting, nearing, and they are discuss something. So little son, 7-year boy, sit down, father laughs, and put the chin of the father and told, Father, what is going today? My mother and Rohini mother is so busy to cook. What is today my birthday or Dau Bhaiya birthday? What is today? Father not give reply because discussing something with the old Brajavashi. Then again and again, well, why not father give me answer? Then father told, today is Indra Puja. Krishna asked, what is the meaning Indra Puja? Worshipping Indra, what is? Who is Indra? Father told, Indra always give the rain. We are all the Goala, mane coward boy, coward person. We are only, our wealth is the cow. If no grass, then how cow can eat? So Indra give rain. That rain, we are maintain our life, food coming, grass coming, water coming. So our, not I, my before all my dynasty, forefather, they are also have done Indra Puja in that day. So we are also doing Indra Puja today. Then Krishna, he asked Father, where they not do Indra Puja, there is rain showering or not showering? He questioned, where that place, that country, they not worshipping Indra, their rain fall or not fall? Father, so, how intelligent my boy, he is asking, we never think. Well, that I don't know. Well, you don't know that rain fall not mastery of Indra. Rain fall by the when cloud is so much and stuck in tree, high tree or mountain, then rain coming. Cloud stuck and rain falling. It is our Govardhan is big mountain. So when cloud stuck in mountain, that rain coming, so we must be do Govardhan Puja. Because Govardhan give everything. hearing this thing, because Krishna not wanted that my mother and father, all Gwala, Brajavasi are doing the demigod goddess. 5 minutes, अच्छा now quickly. देखो how much rain is going on. Because I am going to Indore giving that punishment now. So that is hail also. The Indore that day Indore also. Indore showing this thing. We are showing the hail, storm and so much. When they stop, then when Krishna understand and the Indradev ask why today Brajavasi have not do puja mai. Go, and his servant came and they are doing puja and all the preparation they make, they are offered Govardhan. And Govardhan become Haridev form. Krishna one from Haridev, he had took all the preparation, and one from he are doing in a boy, he are doing puja, worshipping. Then everybody, sorry, anybody, Krishna told, anytime Indra came and took the prasad and darshan, they told no, never. So then, and then they told, Haridev became satisfied and told, what Bonishsan you wanted to know, wanted, you can ask. So Indradev never give you this type of, that time Indra when no, they have stopped my puja, I become that, more than, this is nothing, no, see anything. Full storm and full rain. And now Braja is half drowning. Then what happened? Then I am quickly finishing. Then all Brajavasi came, oh, in Krishna, for you we are getting suffering. Indra told, come to me. And he put in a like a lift a Govardhan in a left hand and left finger. And holding 7 days, 7 year boy, 7 days. The Govardhan 7 crores is the surrounding. And then when Indra ordered this also rain and hailstorm is going but not nothing, that they are servant, Indra thinking all gone, under the water, Mandal is under water. But when the person came and they are dancing, singing, eating, and they are Govardhan. Now I'm finishing. So in that time, when after 7 days, Indra understands that he is not ordinary boy, he is the Bhagavan, he came with the Shrovi cow, because he went to the Brahma. I am done open, how can I will be made to pacify? Forgive. Then Indra told, Brahmaji told, also I am done this offense. One time I am stealing all cow and all cowboy. So you are done very bad. Now you go Surabhi, the cow is very dear and near to Krishna. You go Surabhi mother, and then he came, and but Krishna passed, Brahmaji passed time, Krishna not happy because he disturbed Krishna. And Indra made the arrangement, all Jagopi came, 7 days Krishna looking them and playing the exchange their mood. So Indra have not done so many offense. So this is the Govinda, that time keep a name Govinda. Mane who are the giving Ananda, happiness, pleasure to go, Gopi, Govardhan and all the everywhere. So his name is Govinda. When we will be chanting the Govinda, that time we remember this pastime. Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bola.